This is a quick refresher on order of operations. So what is the order of operations, right? It's the order in which we solve an equation. So a lot of people know it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? Or PEMDAS, there's different ways we can say it. But I just want to do a quick video on what each of these things means, right? So we're going to start with parentheses, okay? So the first thing we want to do in any equation is evaluate the parentheses. So parentheses, right? Look like that. So that's what we're going to do first. And then the next thing we're going to do in any equation, right, is evaluate the exponents, okay? Exponents. This would be something like 2 squared, okay? So if we see 2 squared, we're going to evaluate parentheses, and then we're going to do that, right? Then, these two are tricky, right? We've got multiplication and division. And the big thing with these are we don't always do multiplication first, right? We do multiplication and division left to right, okay? So when you get in an equation, we want to look at doing multiplication and division left to right, okay? So if division is on the left and you get to it first, do it first and then do multiplication. And then we've got addition, right? And subtraction. And these two are also left to right. So we do our multiplication and division left to right, and our addition and subtraction left to right. And this is just a brief overview of the order of operations, and in the next video, we'll look at an example that has all these different things and see how we would evaluate it.